welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video we're going to be assembling the Sherman Firefly kit. So as usual with our kits, you take your clippers and clip away at the stuff here, and so just kind of take this and pull it away. Actually that works, but then clean it up is a good idea as well. So that's cleaned up, and let's try here. Make sure that's all good. Good. This piece is all one unit, so we don't need to think about that. We're gonna clip away these pieces. Okay, there's that. Next is, let's clean up that little screw mark there. And that screw mark there. And this sprue there. Piece by piece, we're getting this figured out. Up next, take and clip away under the gun. Let's clip away these supports here underneath this thing. And see how that's going, and carefully clip away under that MG as well. Clip away that sprue, and done. So the gun is done, but if you wish to sand that down, that's possible to do as well. Now we can just go ahead and glue this all together. So the first steps are this, and it's good to dry fit pieces too. So, you know, just that piece out, test this piece out, etc. So we have these pieces here, and we're gonna glue them on here. So I put some glue already, and that should be okay. There you go. Now let's go ahead and put some glue here. This piece here. And put a little glue here. Just all over the place like that. And put that piece on like so. So that's how that should look. While that stuff is drying, we can go ahead and put some glue here. Good. Now you can see how this goes like that. That's how that should go. And of course, here you go. Let's put the tracks on. Just put some glue on the side there, and then there you go. And then let's go ahead and do the other side. There it is. Now we just need to put on this piece like that. So last but not least, let's put some glue like this. And you put that like that. And I believe the British added this to the turret because of this, I think, 17-pounder. Correct me if I'm wrong, but they added this just so there was space in the turret. Okay, and it's a very powerful gun. They offered it to the Americans, but the Americans preferred American-made guns, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong. That's the way it should go, I believe. Oh, as always, don't trust me entirely. Look at historical pictures. So what it is I believe these are the crates at the back. So there you go. the Sherman Firefly, available at miniaturetanks.com. Thank you so much for watching.